Doing, guys? It's Isaac here. I just wanted to give you a quick review about Manifestation Magic, a product that I purchased 1 month ago. I think today they upgraded even, so it should be a little bit better even. I want to take you inside to the member area so you can make a decision much better than I explain about the product. So I'll walk you through each and one of the sound. This is actually about brainwave audios. All you have to do is listen, relax and listen, and you need to have a good pair of headphones. That's how you're gonna change your. Yeah, I mean, you transfer your mindset. Let's begin. The product is by Wilson, and I actually purchased two different one: the millionaire mind makeover and manifestation magic. Let's start with the manifestation magic. So, uh, that shows you the order that I complete. You have a welcome message
Hi,
from Wilson.
this is Alexander Wilson here, and I just want to congratulate you and welcome you to the Manifestation Magic members area.
This is the one. Just want to show you. Go through the product below. You'll find the entire program ready for you to download. Give you the instruction how to download everything. It's pretty easy. You can even use your mobile one, so you can have it anywhere you go. Actually, you can start here. This is the picture. You have a PDF version, so it's explained how to maneuver here in the member area. If you have iPhone, you can download the version here. Cosmic ordering idea form. Got so many audios. I mean, it's really for low price. You're getting a lot of content here. Energy orbiting. Let's see what's that. Cosmic. Just want to give you a taste of it so you feel it's easier for you to make a decision. This is the form that you actually to get clear on what you want and why you want to manifest money into your life. Okay, this is the order. I see. Let's go back to here. This is the form you need to download. Energy orbiting audio session. And here you have the audio. This is the most important one. The Twilight Transform, which that actually suggests if you use only this one, you cover everything. But it's fun to go through all of them. That's how it sounds. Just want to give you a little sample. I don't think it's going to be ethical to give you a lot more than that.
Experience. So, as you begin listening,
It's actually when you go to bedtime, you can fall asleep and it does the job for you. Daytime wealth energy orbiting, which is nice. 10-minute meditator. You got two parts of 10-minute meditators. Actually, you get better result than meditation. Got some bonuses. Chakra power system. The root based clearance session. Give it to listen to that a little bit. There is the volume.
you are safe and secure. The vibration
You don't have to listen to the words. It's actually subliminal, so your subconscious will get different signals, and you actually have to listen more than 3 weeks to start getting a good result. Which one is that? Chakra clearing session. It's amazing. I'm telling you, you got so much in here. The solar plexus full potential session. I think now without the bonuses you get for $27, with the bonuses you get for 37, which is great value. The heart gratitude abundance session. Click download. The throat chakra true self session. The pineal gland intuition session. Click to download. The crown chakra highest purpose session. And the bonuses are the 360 transformation system, wealth awakening, whispering waves, what else? The heartbeat, straight gaze, slow string relaxation, mystical qigong, divine tranquility, and that's it. Here I have the FAQs. It's a great value. Then you can download it to the app to your mobile phone. If you have for Google App Store, whichever you want, give you the instruction how to install it. It's very easy. You can have it on the go. And it's ClickBank, and they give you like 60 days to test it. If you're not satisfied with it, you get your money back. And let's see, I actually purchased also the Millionaire Mind Makeover. If you want to go further than that, which I decided to go after I purchased this one, I think this one is more advanced. I can show you a little bit. I'm not sure. I think I paid like $99 for that. Very satisfied. Shows my order is complete. Start here. It's the same way how to the one audio is Millionaire Belief, 285 hertz. Here we go. This audio creates a deep, unshakable belief that you will achieve a great 6 or even a full 7-figure income after listening. You will suddenly see yourself as a top 1%. Actually, give you a lot of confidence after you listen for a few times. Just give you a sample how it sounds. You have to relax, just lay on your bed and listen to that. You need to have a good pair of headphones like that, so you get the full benefit.
This set of audios is designed to help you think and perform like a millionaire.
Okay. Let's go back. That was the first one. Then you have Passive Income Creator, another audio, great audio. How to create a passive income. Ageless Wealth, 396 errors. And click to download. You see how easy it is? Just click download. You have the audio. I think you're gonna like it. I really enjoy this. After a few times you listen to these tracks, you feel actually the difference. You feel good. Yeah, it's all we have is in the unconscious. That's what responsible for what how our life look like. And I think when you change these unconscious beliefs and mindset, your life gonna look different. I feel it anyway. I just want to show you how it sounds and how it looks, the member area, so you make your decision. I hope it's gonna make it easier on you. I don't know. I don't like just to talk about it. I just want to show you what you're getting. That's actually what you're getting. This is the inside of the member area. Radical Radiance. That's another one. To tell you the truth, I didn't go through all of them. You need some times, but in the instruction they tell you which one it's better for you to start with. and to listen. So it's easier when you download the PDF instruction and you go by that. That's how I do it. So financial freedom and money mastery, fearless success. There's so many audios. Magnetic identity. Here we go. They explain about everyone, and these are the special bonus sects. This is a great one. I went through this once. Scarcity Buster. So it's a great audio. Frequency, it says Scarcity Buster use a special 963 hertz frequency that helps to connect with higher guidance. So you need not worry any longer about scarcity. It taps into universal wisdom that harmonizes with abundance, stability, and security. It's perfect for burning away beliefs around scarcity as it returns you to your perfect original state, connected you to your light and all embracing spirit. That's great. I listened to that one. It's very cool. Bonus one, Magic Money Tree series. Actually, in here you can have some books that can help you out to start a business and do affiliate marketing. You can start the course here. You get a lot of value with this one if you purchase the advanced one. Magic Money Tree, click to access course. You see you get a few courses. Bonus two, enter the flow state audio path. Abundance Infinity, that's another audio. The focus one, the audio is designed to block out external distractions so you can closely focus in on a given task. That's great one. Lily, this sounds weird, but that's like a whistle, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. That should relax you. I mean, before you go to sleep, you can listen to that. And if you're really relaxed, I did try that one. It's good. I feel like a meditate state of mind on most of those. See how smooth it is. Okay. I let you enjoy it when you purchase it. I mean, you're really gonna enjoy it. I listen every day, 7 days a week. It's a new habit now for me. Kinds of music, and you really feel the difference. I mean, step by step, layer by layer, it's cleaning your subconscious. So that's the whole purpose of it. So deep breath, surprise bonus, rapid wealth code. Oh, this one is good. Manifest new passive income stream fast. It's a good one too. It's a workbook. And then you have the FAQs. So I hope you enjoy it and you got the idea how the whole thing built. So here again, you can download the app to your mobile phone. I actually use it only on my phone. It's easy to carry anywhere you go. You get it. You get it with you, and it's good to listen as much as you can. So you get the full benefit of it. I hope you enjoy. I hope I help you to make a decision about this product. And I'm gonna leave my link. So in case you decide to order from me, I will appreciate that. I will get a small commission from you, from the product actually, not from you. And I wish you all the best and much love. Thank you for listening and good luck to you. Thank you.